Am I woman? Or am I something far more greater than she? No illusions, no pretty pictures, no walls, no mask, just words and vibrations. There has been a shift in my energy. My third eye can clearly see. There are these two natures within me that have up to now coexisted independently. My higher self and my lower self seeking to merge, and that I may be greater, moving through the lessons of my own thought process, my own school of reasoning. I'm having an autonomous surge of clarity. I can think beyond the barriers and blockages of my mind. My thoughts no longer imprison me in a reality that doesn't even nurture me, that doesn't even serve me, that offers no return on my energy. I'm releasing all things weighty, and I'm ascending to the higher vibration that's awaiting me, a higher frequency that'll sustain me, that'll fulfill me. You know, I'm preparing for the union within, the internal marriage of my own femininity and masculinity. You see, this is that moment where I trust in that which I cannot see. A moment I walk off the cliff, and I trust that I won't fall to whatever lies beneath. But if I should fall and break into a million pieces, I understand that it's for the benefit of being pieced back together in a divine way. I'm learning to be one with self, complete as just me. No love lost for others. I'm just healing my own energies from faulty programming, from misunderstood emotional processes, from deceitful intentions. Well, I've declared my own intervention. You see, I'm worthy of success and suffering. I'm deserving, yet I can accept that all things aren't for me. I believe, and I also doubt. I seek, while surrendering to a lost disposition, because the merge that's taking place within me balances the natures within me, allowing me to embrace my glory and know that every moment of low vibrational energy are steps on the stairway to my highest frequency. What is love? What is love to me? Well, it's an outward expression of the deepest feelings of emotional harmony and intense satisfaction. But let's take pause at outward. You see, it is not love if it is not first reserved for me. A pulse felt from within, a jolting vibration that lifts me, that fulfills me, that has me lit with a self-love buzz that only I can give me. I can see me constantly. I'm never blinded by who I know myself to be, by what I know my worth to be, never allowing myself to fall from this frequency. You see, when I love myself first, allows me to be love, allows me to breathe love, allows me to speak love. Hell, I even bleed love. But if I aim to give it to you without first embracing it within the realms of me, the feeling that it emits will drain me. It'll deplete me. It'll suppress completely my energy. Now, why would I do that to me? The frequency of love carries the balanced vibrations of emotion and logic in perfect harmony. I must become supercharged in the vibration and energy of love, because only then can it flow in perfect balance and harmony to you. Self-love, the vibration and frequency that I choose. Never letting go, wanting to hold on. Never letting go, wanting to hold on. Sometimes I revisit my past. I catch up with some memories. I reflect on the possibilities of how I could have handled this, and that. Maybe the path that led to where I am, maybe it would have been different. I revisit those moments that showed me in doses who I truly was. Those moments that built character and nurtured strength. Then there are those moments that broke my spirit and nurtured fear. I reflect on the mental notes that made me question, in essence, everything. I drive through the blocks in my mind. 8th in sadness, 17th in hopelessness. Let's not forget the crossroads of my truth. And there lie the intersection of release and let go. See, there are no red lights. There are no stop signs. Go. You see, sometimes you gotta reflect back so that you can project a different view if you need to. What I do is I look back and I relate. I embrace and I'm learning to let go. When it comes to the past, I understand that I don't live there anymore. You know? Never letting go, wanting to hold on. Never letting go, wanting to hold on. Tell me, have you ever loved somebody?
This is the Legion.
Tell me, have you ever loved someone? To love is to release, is not to hold on to. You see, love is free, completely. There are no alternate understandings. Love owes no explanations. Love will make no reprimands. Love is different parts of the same reflection. Love is peace. Love isn't hot and bothered. No. It's just chill. At least in this moment, it is. Love is authentic. It'll just be. Whatever it is that your spirit may be needing. Love sees with that third eye consciousness, that awareness, that deep. You see, love understands that not everything will it understand, nor does it need to understand it to exist. Love is the energy. Love is the frequency. Love is the shift. Relax into the energies of your authentic tendencies and watch love rip, tearing down all things that have been blocking his path, blocking his flow. Let love rip. In love, sometimes you gotta let go and let love rip. So tell me, have you ever loved somebody? Tell me, have you ever loved someone? There's always the conversation. Do you see me? Do you see the woman that the universe has put on your path? One day you gonna look up and I'm gonna be gone, bruh. Then what you gonna do? You know? But if I may take a moment, after having paused in the midst of my own misunderstanding for reflection, I want you to know that I see you. I want you to know that I understand. I do. You've been on your own journey. You're going through your own process. You're preparing for, you're in the midst of your own awakening as a man, baby boy, young man, troubled boy, broken man. My apologies if to any degree the side effects of my own process stagnated your energy. You see, I'm not apologizing for my me or my rise to be. just for knocking you down while I sought out my own crown. But I see you picking up the pieces to life's broken glass. I see you healing through the pain from your childhood process. I see you figuring you out, being empowered with knowledge after such a long drought. I understand that it's not easy, that it's a process to your true stand. I understand that you feel emotion, and sometimes you cry. I want you to know that you can. Side by side, we are on a journey, yet we walk a path that's all our own, becoming whole divine beings. No more judgment, no more reprimands. Keep on rising, keep on growing stronger. You do whatever it is that you gotta do. Divine man, so full of power. It's time that your overflow came through. And so I'm out your way. I'm on my own journey. I just wanted you to know that Tia Naru, bruh, I see you. Could it really be that there's a he in this world for me? I'll never truly know. Just gotta let the energy flow. He had me at hello, an introduction soul to soul. Pretty little thing, do you know what this energy means? It means you found a fly, live vibration. Stay patient, ground the foundation. No drama, no karma. Just honor and love I'm gonna take it slow. Let the energy flow. Take my time. Allow my thoughts to align. He's another level. Give and take no more. Cold heart breaking, high vibrations. He got my knees shaking. No fear, no hesitating. Take a leap of faith. Allow myself to feel true love, the pure essence. Unconditional, not just physical. True mental, rare spiritual. The frequency of love has awakened. Jolting vibrations, rapid heart palpitations, soul contracts remembered. My third eye said, boy, I see you. He's my him, and I'm his she. Together, we were meant to be. So I'ma let it flow. I'ma let it flow. Transitions into new realities. Back at the crossroads, which way to go? Took control of my own journey. I've made the decision. I've chosen my own path. The sun is set on what's behind me. A dark journey towards what I cannot see. What I feel It's pulling me. I'm magnetized to this energy, vibrations, frequencies. A light comes on from within. Intuition always guiding me on a flow of love through the realms of me. Lit. I'm ready. Focused. I see. New me. Full speed ahead. Eyes wide open. I'm on my new path. Transformation. I manifest. In love with myself, I confess.